Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Olympus Pen E-PL7 that I picked up for £80. I've wanted a small micro four thirds camera for a while now, and I love the look of the Olympus Pen E range. As you can see here, this one features a flip down touchscreen which also tilts up, allowing you to get high and low angled photos easily, as well as taking a good selfie. You can see the spec of the camera on the screen now. I also purchased the Lumix 12 to 60mm lens to go with this camera, giving me a 35mm equivalent zoom range of 24 to 120mm. This was enough to get me started, but I plan on buying a 42 to 200mm lens too. A few days after the camera arrived, I had a trip planned with some friends, so I thought I'd take the camera and you guys along. Now let's take a look at the video and audio quality straight from the camera. This camera also features a time-lapse mode which works pretty well, so here's a little test video I did once I got back home. So what do you think of the camera? Let me know in the comments if you have a micro four thirds camera yourself and whether or not you'd buy this one for under £100. As always guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.